Good day you all, my name is Flip. Welcome to the Rustic Way where we do affordable woodworking. Please subscribe and like the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for new videos. Hope you like it. Today we're going to cut the top, round the legs with a router, and then we're going to cut the... I'm going to use my jigsaw for the cutting. What I'm going to do for a guide is I put this hold up, I clamp this piece of wood up here. I measure it this way, which gives me 30 centimeters or 3 centimeters, 30 millimeters. So I'm just making sure that it's all the way 30 millimeters. And since this is a power tool, please remember dust mask, which is not very a must at this point because it's just a saw, but you can put it on. This is very important. And the gloves. Let's see. I've done two sides on the tabletop, so I'm just leaving my saw to cool off. What I'm going to do now in the meantime is I'm going to do the edging on this legs with the router. What I'm doing is I'm putting in those two planks there so that the bias doesn't damage the sides of the legs. And then again, safety guys, dust mask, ear protection, gloves, you can see here that I've done it only from that mark downwards. Now I have to do the other side and the other three legs. Now for the last one. We're done with the routing here. It looks quite nice, I think. Nice and round. So I'll just put a little bit of sandpaper on it to make it nice and smooth here. And the rest of the table leg, I'm just going to leave it like that. Let's sand it quickly. It's just to give that extra smooth. That's it. I've cut this piece out and this piece out with the jigsaw. Now I'm going to cut this piece with this saw because the jigsaw won't fit. While I was busy with the jigsaw, I cut these two pieces to size. I cut these out there, like this. This one going there, this one going here, and these two are going here. With the legs going in the four corners. So I will cut out this piece later and that piece later. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to space it in here like this. And then I'm going to take my pencil. I'm going to draw a line on this side. I'm going to take this piece here and do the same. The reason why I'm doing that, let me just take this piece here, go on the outer side of that. Remember this one goes through, this one only ends there, and this side as well. Put it on the inside, not on the outside. And the same on this side. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to drill small little holes through here, and then from the other side we'll put in the nails. I'm using a 2mm draw bit for this. The reason why I'm doing this has got two purposes. The one is to fix the top, to fasten the top on the bottom side on the frame, and the other thing is so that if you turn it around, you know exactly where your plank is at the bottom side. And then all you need to do is on top side, you need to, with a punch, just put the nails on the head with the punch, and then you put a little glue on with dust, and you cover up the holes. And you won't be able to see the nails. I'll drill this side quickly, and then I'm going to sand the thing, all the planks, the back side. In the next video, part 6, we're going to do a lot of rattering. We're going to ratter the edges of the top and the bottom frame and the support underneath the top.